What do you mean protecting the MCP server, and like why is that necessary?
Yeah, great question. I think going back to your analogy about, do I need a bouncer for my backyard barbecue or not? I think there's two things to know about an MCP right now. A concept of transport. And what that means is basically how the MCP client is communicating with the MCP server. Is that like locally with like standard IO, which is just like on your computer, like reading text going back and forth basically, or is it remote? And the remote transport that's in the specification right now is streamable HTTP. So that's like the normal internet that we're all used to basically. There's like a don't come after me in the comments. There's like more to it, but like at a high level, that's what we're talking about. So the when it is remote, that's where the MCP auth spec kind of comes into play. If it's local, that's sort of the equivalent of a backyard barbecue. You don't really need all that much security. It's just on your local machine. You're experimenting, you're playing around. It's just for you, like no big deal. If it's remote, that means it's on the internet somewhere. And I'm trying to access this thing, this MCP server. You're trying to access that MCP server, and hackers and attackers are also trying to access that MCP server. If that MCP server is just hey, there's a public API, it's trying to just like tell everybody what the weather is right now at a certain place, like, yeah, maybe there's not a whole lot of like big deal, like secure data, private data in there. But the folks at MCP really strongly believe that your server should have like best practice security around it, period, if it's remote, if it's available to everybody. And that like helps you also, if you're building that server, not have to worry about a variety of different attacks that, the early days of the internet really like made famous. The like OWASP top 10 list is like a variety of different attacks that are not all solved by this particular authorization piece, but like are very useful.